These 3 exercises will reduce knees and back pain. Feeling like your knees crack with every step, or your back screams when you stand too long? You're not alone. Whether you're sitting all day or always on the move, the wrong posture and weak muscles are silently wrecking your joints. But the good news? You don't need fancy equipment or a personal trainer to feel better. Just 3 simple, low-impact exercises can make a massive difference, and today we're breaking them down step by step. Exercise 1. Wallsits. Duration 30 to 60 seconds, repeat 3 times. Wallsits are the ultimate combo move for strengthening your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, all crucial for stabilizing your knees and supporting your back. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart and about 2 feet from the wall. Slowly slide down the wall until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Hold for 30 seconds, then slowly rise. This exercise reduces knee strain by strengthening the muscles that take pressure off the joints. It also helps your posture, which indirectly relieves tension in your lower back. Pro tip: don't let your knees go past your toes. Keep your core tight throughout. Exercise 2. Bird dog. Duration 10 reps per side, repeat 3 times. The bird dog strengthens your core, spine stabilizers, glutes, and shoulders. A full body reset without stressing the joints. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight behind you. Hold for a few seconds, keeping your back flat and hips level. Then return to the starting position and switch sides. This move trains your body to stabilize from the center, reducing strain on your spine and knees. Bonus: it also improves balance, which means fewer trips, slips, and awkward twists that lead to pain. Remember, slow, controlled motion wins over speed. Exercise number 3. Glute Bridges. Duration 12 to 15 reps. Repeat 3 times. Most of us sit way too much, and that deactivates our glutes. Weak glutes can cause your lower back to overcompensate, leading to chronic pain. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds before lowering slowly. You should feel this in your glutes and hamstrings, not your lower back. Once you master body weight bridges, try single leg variations to add challenge and build more strength around your hips and knees. These exercises can be done at home in under 15 minutes, and the consistency is what brings the real results. Try them 3 to 4 times a week and track your progress. Stretch gently afterward and stay hydrated to help your joints recover. Your body is your foundation. The stronger your support system, the less pain you'll carry each day. Taking just a few minutes each day to strengthen your core, glutes, and leg muscles can dramatically reduce the strain on your knees and lower back. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and let these exercises become your natural defense against everyday pain and stiffness. If this helped you feel better, or if you're ready to commit to healthier joints, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment sharing your favorite exercise, and subscribe for more body-friendly routines that keep you moving pain-free. Enjoying the video? You can get early access to new uploads and unlock exclusive members-only content by hitting the join button below. It's my way of saying thanks for your support. Come be part of the inner circle.